So today we're actually here to do a hand-tied hair extension application for you guys. Really excited. We've actually chosen Elizabeth. She's actually worn this service and our hand-tied wefts multiple times. We have Zach here. He's one of our educators to Monaco Hair Extensions.
Each visit that she comes in with us, she is getting lighter and lighter each time. This time we went ahead and did a full highlight color mount just to make her brighter, pop more, especially for the summertime. She has her light pieces in there. She's very dimensional. She has brunette, she has blondes. This is our color number 16 in our hand-tied Monaco extensions. With the 16, you're getting that really bronzy blonde, really pretty, really natural. And I think this matches best with her other brunettes in there too.
So we finished her hand-tied hair extension application. As you can see, she can pull her hair straight up, which is why hand ties are taking over. We gave her a nice cut and we styled her, and we're so excited with our end results.